India's details. In India in 2010, 32% people are the poorest. We have not been able to bring these people out from the poverty. अगर बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज ने एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया होता तो ये सिचुएशन नहीं होती. सिचुएशन इज दिस. My question to you all: who creates employment? Anybody can give me a quick answer? Sorry? Businesses, entrepreneurs. If 31% of our people are poorest, whose fault? Whose fault? Our country has not created entrepreneurs. That means creation of entrepreneurship is not automatic. We really need specialized interventions. I would also like you to listen to it that it's not entrepreneurship. Why entrepreneurship? Everybody will not become entrepreneurs. I'm sorry, engineers. Because आपको 90%, 75%, 80%, 90% marks है. What happens to people who have not got the marks? Where will they go? आपको तो जॉब मिलेगा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मिलेगा, अमेरिका में मिलेगा. But where will they go? See the situation here. Our country still has got 70%, 60% rural areas. Anybody idea? What is the percentage of rural area in our country? No. It is about 67%. Our country still has rural areas. Rural means rural. Well, none of you would like to go and learn, but it is the situation. What is the situation there? Literacy rate in rural area, male. Literacy rate, I am not talking about the graduation rate. Literacy rate in rural area is 66% male. Only 40% are literate. Female 47%. Literacy rate in urban areas. Literacy, I am not talking about education, grade, graduation. 82% male, these are the recent data what I have. And 70% female. Still 30% are illiterate. This is the situation. Thank you so much. Rural male and 31% rural female belong to labor force. You know what is labor force? There are three kinds of activities one can do. One can be labor, one can be skilled workers, and one can be manager. These are the three only employment opportunity in the world. आप कहाँ हो? यहाँ, यहाँ, labor, skilled workers, managers. बोलो. Managers. There is fourth class, that is entrepreneurs. And our job is to create entrepreneurs so that we reduce the labor class, we reduce the skilled worker. Labor class की हालत क्या है? कितने पैसे मिलते हैं? According to the World Bank data says UN estimated for India $1.25 per day. कितने हुए? About? Is it enough? Per day. So, these are the laborers, and these laborers are not educated. Still 40% of the people are not working, not educated. So our job is very, very important. I'll share with you some female data because you might see some opportunities somewhere. Women's health, status of women literacy के बारे में बताया. It is astonishing to see that every 3 women, 2 women are illiterate. And that is not only in rural areas, but in urban areas also. Out of 10, 7 children are living, 3 are getting died, and 3 get They finish their life in 3 months of birth, and out of this 7, 3 die in 5 years. Are you ready to live in this country? Yes? No? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you ready to live in this country? Difficult question. Yes, then you have to make a change. You have to bring a change. You have to make a difference. And this difference, if a woman is anyway, what happens? She's not aware. She's not bothered. Even today in general family, men is first and women eat later. Even in cities I have seen, men folk are sitting first, women are sitting at the end, and if the food is less, they want money charge. Money charge. A pregnant woman is there, they money charge. Not because the food is not there, but our socialization conditioning is such that women are ready to give. There's no harm, but it's time that women need to understand that what is her requirement. And when she becomes entrepreneur, she has to work much more. Now, in this situation, I began starting entrepreneurship, education activities. Situation is still not too glamorous. It is still very difficult. But that was the greatest experience of my life because I became an entrepreneur and I earned a lot of money. But when I saw my 16 women are becoming entrepreneurs, I was extremely happy. I did a special program first time in state for electronics engineers who just passed out, and out of those electronics engineers, almost everybody started their big businesses. One of the Bagheeri's son was also there, who was making those air conditioners, Symphony and things like that. He was also my trainee at that point. I want to tell you that that was the time when there was no education or entrepreneurship, and thereafter there was no looking back. I developed various models on entrepreneurship, which varied for 3 months to 12 weeks and things like that. But it started giving a tremendous impact to the society. And I developed women's model, I developed rural model, I developed tribal model, I developed MBA's model. We are giving entrepreneurship 1 year's postgraduate diploma to become entrepreneurs. I developed a number of entrepreneurs models, and that was the first time it was happening in the world. I was invited by President Zia-ul Haq from Pakistan. I was the state guest. And he said, "वैसे तो हम खाली Americans को ही बुलाते हैं." But when it comes to women, entrepreneurship, we look forward to women of our India because Pakistan women and Indian women are almost same. And I had the privilege to introduce entrepreneurship for women in Karachi, Islamabad, Rawalpindi. My passport has got about 18 or 20 stamps. My brother says कि इसको दिखाना नहीं, अंदर कर देंगे. But Sri Lanka, I started the Women's Chamber of Commerce in 85, 86, and it is still existing. And they are creating large number of entrepreneurs. There was no looking back, my dear friends. Creating an entrepreneurs amongst others, I worked in almost 70 countries, with these Asian countries, African countries, Caribbean countries, and Pacific countries. Pacific countries का तो नाम भी मुझे नहीं पता था. Tonga, Vanuatu. I used to see the magnifying glass because they were all small, tiny places. But I realized that entrepreneurship education is not existing. And we need education. Why? Why we need education? Because our socialization pattern doesn't teach us how to set a goal. Who set your goal? Your parents. कब तक? शादी तक. मैं कहता हूँ अच्छा लड़का है, कर लो शादी. Goal setting is the most important aspect of our entrepreneurial behavior. I'm running a school. Well, in school, I'll come to that a little later. But I'm running a school and my students come and then parents say, KG के बच्चे नहीं नहीं वो बैग नहीं उठाएंगे, उसको स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस हो जाएगा। A child cannot hold the bag. उसको ज्यादा होमवर्क नहीं दीजिए, उसको ऐसा नहीं करिए। We are not allowing our children to set their own goals. That is the biggest social conditioning. Up to 20 years, tell me what kind of stories you have been hearing. You must be hearing एक था राजा, एक थी रानी। I'm coming to you. बच्चा ही नहीं होता था उसको, महाराज के पास गए, आशीर्वाद दिया, राजकुमार आ गए। राजकुमार को अच्छी तरह इंडस जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी में तैयार किया, बाणमाला सिखाया, ये सिखाया, वो सिखाया। फिर राजा ने अनाउंस किया कि क्या अनाउंस किया कि मेरा बेटा 7 समंदर पार से सोने का कमल लेके आएगा। नेबर वाले ने बोला, अच्छा तुम्हारा बेटा 7 समंदर पार से सोने का लोटस लेके आएगा तो हूँ એને મારી રાજકુમારી આપીશ અને અડધું आधा किंगडम भी दूंगा। चले राजकुमार घोड़े पे बैठ के, घोड़े पे सवार, 7 समंदर 7 और बच्चा सच। फिर हाँ पक्षी 7 समंदर। फिर अच्छा वो वहाँ गया तो उसको 7 समंदर के पास कुछ मिला ही नहीं। वहाँ एक गुड़िया बैठी थी। ओल्ड लेडी ने बोला, अच्छा तू मेरा इतना काम कर दे तो मैं तुझे एक जादू की छड़ी दूंगी, वो जादू की छड़ी से तुम्हें सोने का कमल मिल जाए। बच्चा सो रहा है, ओके ओके मम्मी। फिर जादू की छड़ी तक पहुंच गया बच्चा, जादू की छड़ी मिल जाएगी। उसने गुड़िया का काम कर दिया, उसने राजकुमार को जादू की छड़ी दी, राजकुमार ने जादू की छड़ी घुमाई, सोने का फूल सामने आए लेके दिया फादर को। आसपास के राजा ने बोला मेरी बेटी से शादी करो। राजकुमारी साथे लग्न थया, खाधु पीधु અને बच्चा